You could spend hours ringing around trying to get a mover who will do your small move. The best way to find a part load mover is to fill out the quote form on MoveAdvisor.com, where movers who do offer this service will contact you with a free, no obligation quote. Moving home is rarely cheap, but the most cost-effective way to move home is to leave your furniture and appliances behind and just move boxes. So today we will share some of the cheapest ways to ship moving boxes across country. First up is maybe not the cheapest, but is certainly the safest and easier way to ship only boxes: hiring a moving company. Not only will they do all the heavy lifting, they will supply the packing materials and even pack for you. Doesn't get much easier than that. However, not all movers offers this service. Next up is using a freight company. Freight companies will charge you based on the weight, volume and distance. Whilst this is cost effective, you will have to pack, palletize and load and unload the items yourself. Remember that the truck will have to get right outside your home to load and unload, so if space is tight, this is not really an option. If you're shipping only a few boxes, USPS is a great option. There are various shipping services from USPS, with delivery options from next day using Priority Express and up to 8 days delivery using USPS Retail Ground. Depending on the service you choose, they may even collect the boxes from your home. The downsides are that you need to pack everything yourself, and there are various items that you cannot ship, so check the prohibited items list before packing. Your next option is using a courier service like FedEx or DHL. There are multiple services you can choose from with differing delivery times, but they charge you by the size and weight of the boxes as well as the distance being travelled. For shipping only a few boxes, this is a good option, but may be too expensive for large consignments. The upside is that insurance is comprehensive and your pressure items will be tracked the entire journey. Finally, moving containers, which are probably one of the best options if you have quite a few boxes to move. The container is dropped off at your home, you pack your items, load the container, then they come and collect it and drop it off at your new home. And you don't even have to load or unload the container yourself. You can hire labour to do all the hard work for you. Just go to MoveAdvisor.com and call our dedicated labour help service, and they will arrange your loaders and unloaders for you. So there you have it, 4 shipping options for moving boxes across country. Hire movers for the safe and easy option. Make use of shared loads by using a freight company when you're not too worried about the delivery date and are happy to pack and load your own boxes. For just a few boxes, USPS have various shipping options and may even collect them from your home depending upon the service you choose. Couriers like DHL and FedEx are great for when tracking or insurance are important to you, but due to the high cost, may not be such a great option if you have dozens of boxes. Finally, containers, which offer a flexible and cost-effective solution, and you don't need to do any heavy lifting or loading. Just hire some labour to do it all for you. Don't forget to check out our previous episodes on this channel, and also to head on over to MoveAdvisor, where you will find reviews for movers, a whole library of guides to make your move cheaper and easier, and where you can find out just how much your home move is going to cost. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss an episode. Till next time, happy moving. Bye.